Everyday Science: The Science Behind Daily Life. Introduction. Science is not confined to laboratories, research centers, or classrooms. It is woven into the fabric of human life and shapes nearly every activity we perform each day. From the moment we wake up in the morning until we go to sleep at night, science quietly influences our actions, decisions, comfort, health, and communication. This practical and observable application of scientific knowledge in daily living is known as everyday science. Everyday science is one of the most fascinating branches of knowledge because it connects scientific principles directly to ordinary experiences. It explains why the sky appears blue, how electricity lights our homes, why soap removes dirt, how mobile phones work, and why exercise benefits the human body. It transforms common observations into meaningful understanding. The study of everyday science is not only useful but also exciting. It develops curiosity, logical thinking, and awareness about the world around us. In the modern age, scientific literacy has become essential because technology and innovation dominate every aspect of life. Understanding everyday science helps people make informed decisions, solve practical problems, and appreciate the wonders of nature and technology. Meaning of everyday science. Everyday science refers to the scientific principles and phenomena that affect our daily lives. It includes knowledge from physics, chemistry, biology, environmental science, astronomy, and technology that can be observed in ordinary situations. Reasoning, experimentation, and analysis. It trains the mind to ask questions and seek evidence before accepting conclusions. Scientific thinking develops problem-solving skills that are useful in education, careers, and personal life. 3. Promotes healthy living. Scientific knowledge helps people maintain hygiene, nutrition, fitness, and disease prevention. Understanding bacteria, viruses, vitamins, and exercise contributes to healthier lifestyles. For example, washing hands removes harmful germs. Balanced diets provide essential nutrients. Unlike highly specialized scientific research, everyday science focuses on practical understanding. It explains natural events and human inventions in simple and relatable ways. For example, why ice melts in heat, how fans cool a room, why plants need sunlight, how vaccines protect the body, why metals expand when heated. All these examples demonstrate science operating continuously around us. Importance of everyday science. 1. Improves understanding of the world. Science enables people to understand natural phenomena logically. Rather than relying on myths or superstitions, it answers questions about weather, health, motion, energy, and the environment. For instance, understanding the water cycle explains how rain forms, while knowledge of gravity explains why objects fall to the ground. 2. Encourages everyday science and energy. Energy is essential for modern civilization. Sources of energy. Common energy sources include electricity, solar power, wind energy, hydroelectric power, fossil fuels. Renewable energy sources are increasingly important because they reduce environmental pollution, conservation of energy. Saving energy is both scientifically and economically beneficial. People can conserve energy by turning off unnecessary lights, using energy-efficient appliances, reducing fuel consumption. Scientific inventions that changed everyday life. Many scientific inventions have transformed human civilization. Electricity. Electricity powers homes, industries, hospitals, and communication systems. Without it, modern life would be impossible. The Internet. The Internet has revolutionized communication, education, business, and entertainment, vaccines, and antibiotics. These medical discoveries have saved millions of lives and prevented deadly diseases. Computers have accelerated scientific research, automation, and global communication. Advantages of everyday science. Everyday science offers numerous benefits, makes life easier and more comfortable, improves health and hygiene, enhances communication, increases productivity, promotes rational thinking, encourages innovation, protects the environment. Disadvantages and challenges. Despite its benefits, misuse of science can create problems. Environmental pollution, industrialization, and excessive use of fossil fuels contribute to pollution and climate change. Dependence on technology. People may become overly dependent on conclusion. Every day, science is an essential part of human life. It explains the world around us and improves the quality of life through knowledge, innovation, and technology. Whether in homes, schools, hospitals, transportation, communication, or environmental protection, science plays a central role in shaping modern civilization. The beauty of everyday science lies in its ability to turn ordinary experiences into fascinating discoveries. It teaches people to think logically, observe carefully, and appreciate the wonders of nature and human creativity. In the modern world, scientific understanding is no longer optional. It is necessary for responsible citizenship and personal development. By studying everyday science, individuals become more informed, capable, and prepared to face the challenges of the future. Science is truly everywhere, in every drop of water, every beam of light, every breath we take, and every invention that makes